Hello and welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. In past week's videos, we've gone over text analysis and how to add embedded data. In this week's video, we'll go over how to combine both features to help you make the most out of your Qualtrics experience. Combining embedded data with text analysis improves customer feedback analysis, where you can use embedded data and text analysis to categorize and analyze customer feedback from social media or customer service interactions. This will help to identify trends, sentiments, or areas for improvement. To learn how to add an embedded data element to identify what social media platform your users access your survey from, click this video. Another great example includes employee engagement surveys. Human resource departments can use embedded data and text analysis to understand employee sentiments, gauge satisfaction levels, and pinpoint areas of concern within the organization. Now that we've gone over some ways to use these features, let's learn how to add them in your Qualtrics survey. Embedded data options allow you to determine which embedded data are eligible for text analysis, as well as change each embedded data's variable type. To do this, first go to Options on the lower right corner of your embedded data element. For each embedded data field, choose a variable type from the drop-down. See our section below for a full explanation of each variable type. If the variable type is text type, you can select Analyze Text to include the embedded data in text analysis. Click OK. Thanks for joining me in learning how to combine embedded data and text analysis for better decision making. Don't forget to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category, and I'll see you next week.